Hello, in front of me I've got 70mm 1S D06 Dash Cam. In this video I'll show you the theoretical tutorial how to attach it to front windshield. It will be theoretical because I don't have any surface like front windshield or I'm not in the car, so I'm not able to show it to you directly, but the process is very simple. Firstly, right here we've got this sticker with glue we have to attach to front windshield. Make sure to do it right in this way, because here is our camera, this is the front of the camera, and it should be connected like this. So imagine my hand is the front windshield, it should stick like this. But before you stick it to front windshield, make sure to clean it from the grease and dust very carefully, and then in the place you will connect your camera, stick this plastic firm, pull this thing out, and this part connect to front windshield. Then this part connect like this. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.